Hi everyone, I am here to present you my business intelligence case study on executive insights for Atliq Hardware using SQL and tableau. Now let us see about Atliq Hardware. It is a leading computer hardware company in India. It is expanding its operations across many countries in this world. The Atliq Hardware is now facing a business challenge. What is the challenge is the management lacks timely insights for data-driven decisions. So what might be the solution for this? The solution might be hiring a lot of data analysts. For this, the company started hiring for the data analysts. So it gave a task with the 10 SQL queries that can provide the insights for their business. Now, let us dive deeper into those insights. I have solved all those 10 SQL queries and here I'll present them. Now, let us see our first ad hoc request. That is, it is asked to provide the list of markets in which the customer Atliq Exclusive operates its business in the APAC region. So, I have listed all these countries all over the world. So, by this, we can understand that it is well established in Asia Pacific markets like India, Japan, etc. All these countries. Now let us dive into the second one. That is, they are asking what is the percentage of unique product increase in 2021 versus 2020. In the 2020, the unique product count is 245, and in 2021, the unique product count is 334. It increased by 36%. It shows that the company has increased its production from 2020 to 2021. So coming to the third one, they're asking to produce a report about the unique product counts for each segment. There are segments like notebook, accessories, peripherals, desktop, storage, and networking. And here are its product counts. And notebook is being produced a lot, and networking is being the least produced product. By this, we can understand that we can use different marketing strategies to allow the consumers to buy the networking products a lot. Coming to the fourth one, they asked which segment has the most increase in unique products in 2021 versus 2020. So coming here, each and every segment has shown some increase and some growth rate. But comparatively, desktop has seen the highest growth rate and least growth rate is for networking. So for this, we should continuously keep on incrementing the products on desktop, but we should keep our attention on networking too. As I told before, we should involve the different marketing strategies that will allow the consumers to buy the product related to the networking. Now let us go through the fifth one, that is the lowest manufacturing cost product and the highest manufacturing product. And this is the lowest manufacturing cost product and this is the highest manufacturing product. By this observation, what can we get? See, the lowest manufacturing cost products are the highest purchased one. So we should be careful with the bundling of these type of products. And when it comes to the highest manufacturing product, we should be careful as they are the complex products. We should be careful with the pricing, such type of things. These insights will be helpful for such type of things. Now let us go through the sixth one. They're asking the top five customers who received an average high pre-invoice discount percentage. Here are the top five customers and these are the average discount percentages. My insight on this is these discounts are flat. Instead of giving the flat discounts, the Atliq must concentrate on giving the discounts based on the customer size, customers' loyalty, and the marketing. This might not risk the profitability of Atliq. Now, in the seventh one, task to generate the complete report of gross sales amount for the customer Atliq exclusive for each month. Here is the graph that is generated using Tableau. And in 2019, the sales have been raised from September to the December month. And in 2020, they have fallen from January to March and they took rise from April to June and again fallen in July and taken rise is with is a huge rise until December and then started falling again, rising again. This might give us an insight that in the festive seasons, that is festive months like September to December, the sales are taking rise, and even in the summer holidays like April, June, etc., they are rising. And the remaining all months, the sales are being followed. So the company should concentrate on raising the campaigns or generating some offers, discounts in specific period where the sales are low. In the eighth question, they asked in which quarter of 2020 got the maximum total sold quantity. By this, we can analyze that these are the first 3 months, next 3 months, next 3 months, and next 3 months here. Here, this in the quarter 4, the total sold quantity is very high compared to other three. So we have already seen before that the sales are more in the quarter 4, which means in the last months, and the sales are being less in the early months. So the company should concentrate on that specific thing to increase the campaigns, etc. In the ninth one, they asked which channel helped to bring more gross sales in year 2021. Here are the channels direct distributor and retailer, and these are the percentages 16, level, and 72. Here, retailer contributed 70 percentage of the gross sales. So, the company must not break its bond with the retailers and it should also strengthen its bond with the distributors and directors so it might increase their profits. In the 10th one, they asked to generate the top 3 products in each division in 2021. Here are the top 3 products in each division N&S, P&A, PC. So why are these insights useful? We can use these product names in the campaigns, which might increase the strength of the campaign. And also, we can bundle these products with the complementary products, which might increases the sales, right? And here are these visualizations. I have used Tableau to generate these types of visualizations. For all the questions, I have generated a image that is visually represented by Tableau. And now we go to the overall summary of all these insights. These are the top 5 insights that I have made. They are India is the strongest and most consistent market in APAC. And business performance improved significantly from 2020 to 2021. And all the product segments are growth, especially desktops and accessories. And the premium brands offers the lower discounts and mass market brands offers the higher discounts. And sales peak during festive and summer months and getting fallen in the other months. Based on these insights, I have generated a phase called recommendations to the management from my side. My first point is to focus on the high growth segments. We have seen that desktops and accessories are the highest growth segments, so we have to increase our investment in that specific segments. And the second one is to strengthen the retail strategy. Before itself, we have seen that the retail strategy, the retail partners are contributing 70% of the sales. So we have to maintain and enhance the support for the retail partners. And we can also do some loyalty programs and exclusive deals to retain and grow the retailer engagement. And the third point is optimize discounting. I have already told that the discounting should be based on these 3 factors, that is marketing, the customer size, and the customer's loyalty. The fourth one is time marketing with the sales seasons. I have already told before that we should launch key campaigns in the least sales month other than the September to December or April to June. We should launch some key campaigns and give some more discounts to attract the consumers. And in the season where the highest sales are being, then we should launch some products in that specific season. And Fifth one is to expand the data analytics team. And this is what the company is doing right now. And finally, I want to say that Atliq Hardware is not a real company. It is an illustrative company, and this was the challenge that is given by the Code Basics team. So I just want to participate in this challenge just to increase my presentation and data analytical skills so that it might help my future. And these are all the technical skills I have used. I used SQL joins, aggregations, Windows functions, and subqueries. And in the tableau, I have used to prepare the dashboards and the charts. And in the data analysis, I used trend comparison, segmentation, product customer insights, and I have produced these insights. If you found this presentation valuable and would like to connect with me regarding my analytical skills, feel free to reach out via mail or explore more of my work through my LinkedIn and GitHub. The links are provided below. I would also like to express my sincere thanks to Dhaval Patel sir, whose guidance and teaching helped me build the industry relevant skills showcased in this project. And also thank you for your time and attention. I truly appreciate it.